Want to ace your character analysis essay? Let's break it down step by step. A character analysis essay explores a character's traits, actions, and role in a story. The goal? To understand their impact and connect them to the story's themes. By examining these elements, you gain deeper insights into the narrative. Step 1. Choose a dynamic character, someone who grows or plays a key role. Step 2. Revisit the story, focusing on their actions, relationships, and development. Step 3. Take notes on their personality, challenges, and key moments. These steps lay the foundation for a thorough analysis. Analyze how the character connects to the story's themes. For example, Atticus Finch embodies justice and moral strength in To Kill a Mockingbird. Consider how their journey reflects broader themes like courage, love, or betrayal. Organize your essay into Introduction. Briefly introduce the character and your thesis. Body. Discuss their traits, relationships, and growth with evidence. Conclusion. Summarize their importance and link to the story's themes. This structure ensures clarity and depth. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll master your character analysis essay. Good luck. Start your analysis now.